Well, welcome back to the Dyno Days video. An EP3 in the house, a black one at that. And today it's had spark plugs, it's had oil and filter, gearbox oil, and it's had a candy red rocker cover fitted. Now it's time to do an ECU exchange and remap. So, first up, stock power run. See what she's putting out right now. Then we get to tuning, maybe make a flame. Who knows? Let's find out. As I said earlier, this one's had oil and filter change here today, and it's had 5W40 Molygen oil put in it, which is what I use in my own car. You can go over to worldoflubricant.co.uk, put in the code DYNO at checkout and save a load of money on such quality products such as Liqui Moly's Molygen 5W40 fully synthetic. So head on over to worldoflubricant.co.uk, use the code DYNO and save some money. Top tip. Right, EP3. Now, you may have noticed that on the first power run, the engine moved a lot. And yes, it did. And the reason for that is I don't think there's very many engine mounts on this.
Well, that particular engine mount wasn't doing
the one we could physically see wasn't attached.
Well, it wasn't attached, yeah.
Off the dyno it came, and we got Tom to fit an engine mount.
Well, luckily we had one. Was where I'd probably start
Yes.
with that. It was one of them things where Dan disappeared upstairs to have a look in his in a box of many things and found one, which was luck.
Yes. However, we don't know the condition of the other engine mount, so you are missing the launch control flames that this car has, because we just don't want to put it under that sort of. We don't want to be doing anything else other than what we were.
Yeah, we
do.
sort of we sort of said it wants a new set of engine mounts, which, to be fair, Tom had already had a look at this car and wrote that down on his list of things anyway. And then obviously, but we hadn't realised how bad the actual engine mount was. Obviously, when we put it under stress on the dyno, I think it finished it off.
Yeah,
I think
really
what was
see
very
that.
left of it finished it.
I could really see that. So we did an ECU exchange and started tuning it. This car's got dyno days induction.
We did service first.
Did service first.
So we did
Molygen,
oil and filter, gearbox oil, spark plugs,
yeah,
rock cover or exchange rock cover gaskets for a candy red one with a new rock cover gasket and a general quick look over, and then obviously onto the dyno.
Yes, and then we put it through its paces with the ECU exchange and mapped it up. Yeah,
peak numbers haven't changed that much. I think we started on
It's got a speed fab 3-inch. No, not solid fab.
No.
It's got a speed fab 3-inch. But I'm not sure on the manifold.
We'll use the word custom exhaust.
Custom exhaust. I mean, it's got a good girth to it, Richard.
Oh, well.
A good girth. Code word girth.
But yeah, started at 217 and finished at 219, which I suppose when you say that, I think, oh yeah. But when you look at the graph in a minute, we made a real good amount of power at the top end, but we've reached a restriction of some level of description.
It's on a stock inlet manifold.
Yeah, it's basically made the same sort of top end power, but it's made power everywhere up to that point.
Yeah, it's tuned. The fuel is good. Cam timing's good. It's good.
Yeah,
it's good.
It would definitely feel different, 100%. I mean, there's a good chunk in that mid range, isn't there, for sure?
He wants some CV boots.
Yes, but again, that's on the list from our work this morning. We've got to quote the gentleman on that.
I'm looking forward to seeing the dyno.
Yes.
In a minute, I might have to mop that up. But a beautiful black EP3 local lad. I'm sure he's going to have loads and loads of fun. I would if I owned an EP3. So yes, I'm sure he'll be flaming through Loughborough and having lots of fun. And we'll see him again for another round of mods and probably more tuning.
Yeah, for sure.
Shall we look at
that graph?
Let's look at the graph.
Yeah.
Say it with me, lads. Red line as she came in, blue line as she leaves, leaving just shy of 220 brake horsepower, room for improvement. I'm sure we'll see this one again. The dyno doesn't look too bad, but off the car goes, reset the lights and stuff. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And oh my God, it's home time. We'll see you on the next one.
Ready to elevate your ride? Nobody does it better than Dyno Days Performance Parts. Nobody. We're talking the best exhausts, the strongest ECU remaps, absolute top-tier parts for maximum performance. Other places, not even close. Our experts, the best in the business, give you personalized tuning perfectly matched to your driving style. It's incredible, really. People love it. Join a huge, growing community of real enthusiasts. Thousands already trust Dyno Days, smart people, great drivers, and they keep coming back. Go to dynodaysperformanceparts.com right now and transform your drive. Believe me, you're going to love it.